Hey there, this is Professor Steve from Grand Canyon University, and I was looking to give you guys some instructions on just simply installing VMware Workstation version 14. This is the Windows version. It also works for Linux as well, but I wanted to walk you through these steps here just so we can say we covered our bases, and then afterwards we'll go into some of the configuration of it, some best practices, things to that effect. So just to get started here, I've already downloaded the VMware Workstation installation file from the On the Hub store. You can check out my other video for that one. But here we're just going to right click and say run as administrator, just to make sure that the application has full access rights to the system, and it'll be prompted for a user access control to say, yep, I am sure I'm doing this and I want to. So we'll let this thing boot up here in just a moment. I'll be back once it's ready to go. Okay, and then once we're ready to go here, just standard wizard type of thing. So we're going to hit next. Accept the terms and conditions. You could read that if you want to. Hit next. I usually do the enhanced keyboard driver just to make sure that all the hardware on my system is talking the same language as VMware. So we're hitting next. I usually do not join the Customer Experience Improvement Program, but I do like to make sure it is checking for updates. So just do next. We'll create a desktop shortcut as well as creating something in the start menu. Hit next. And then we'll do an install, and it'll run through a process here. Some systems may be faster, some systems may be slower, but once it gets to the point of it being finished, we'll be back to go on the next steps. Usually a restart is required though. Okay, we're back, and the installation completed successfully. Mine took a little bit longer. I don't know if it's hard drive full or whatever, but it could vary your time as far as when or how long it takes. Whenever you did download VMware Workstation from the On the Hub store, you should have received a license key, and then once you're done, you hit license and you paste it in and hit enter. And then it says, oh, finished, and hit finish, and it's going to say, do you want to restart, yes or no? So that's it as far as installing goes. We will record another video for actually doing some configuration as opposed to doing everything in one. So check back next time for a new video, and we will see you next.